Hello folks, today I want to show you fully restored legendary AKAI GX 230D. Let's go listen.
Every single thing for me that you could do. When I could see no point in going on, lift myself up knowing that another day I'd see you. In my need I reach for you, a steady hand to lead me through the darkest day. You took me running, chasing after better things, the laughter of another day.
That recording was done like a month ago, before restoration, and then I decided to restore it. Hooked it up now in my garages to check it out. I will bring it to my main listening room, hook it up to a top-end vintage stuff, and probably will make another vid just for now to show guys. Was a little bit of problem to put back faceplate. It wasn't easy. You need to line it up and then line up everything. It's kind of, I mean, without any experience, yes, it's tough, but probably the guys who are doing this job every month or every week or every day, they probably know how to do that. But anyway, it's a nice sounding. I changed the LED bulbs on the use, and so far I'm very happy. Okay guys, bye-bye.